Good morning everyone here at Panglao International Airport. We are waiting for our flight via Cebu Pacific Air 5J586. Ayan, nandito kami sa loob ng airport. Naghihintay ng boarding. Ayan guys, maluwag, kunti lang ang pasahero ngayon. Taghirap. Taghirap, kaya walang gaanong tourist, walang gaanong nagbabakasyon. Mahirap ang buhay. Thank you for watching guys. Good morning and